So, do you ever have one of those situations where you think, I think I could make that? So, I saw a couple of weeks ago on Instagram on a lady I follow. She doesn't sew, she does style and that sort of thing. And she had this amazing dress on that she'd worn for a day out going to RHS Wisley, which, if you don't know, is like a lovely garden just outside London. It's the Royal Horticultural Society, put her teeth in, garden. And she just had like a lovely day swanning around in this gorgeous dress. And I found the dress online. I think she shared a link. It's like £129. And I was like, even if I could afford it, even if it was like 30 or 40 quid, would I buy it? No, because I think I can make it. So the actual dress that she had on was a fully sheared like bandeau top at the top of like a checked fabric and then a striped skirt. Well, I then got the idea of using some of my ribbing fabric to make like the bandeau. Another way we might use is boob tube bandeau. I've never really gone for strapless, but it has been nearly 3 years now since my breast reduction. So if I'm going to do it, now is the time really to do it, isn't it? So I dug out some white ribbing that I've got. And I tried it on. It's like the perfect fit for me when it's the tube. Now, if it's not, we'll talk about solutions to that. And then I've got this lovely aqua and white striped fabric. There we go. So, picture is coming in of it. I set about thinking, can I make this and will it work and will I like it? So really in my head what I'm thinking is I'm going to double over the ribbing because I think single might not be strong enough, it might stretch out. I have considered maybe putting a channel of elastic in the top. Jury's out on that at the moment. And then obviously gathering the skirt, so making a skirt tube, gathering it and then attaching it to the elastic, to the ribbing. Was thinking, do I need a bit of elastic around there because it might stretch out? And Bob's your uncle, a dress to swish around him. Is it going to be that simple? That's the question. Is it going to work out? And then of course the question is, am I going to wear it? Well, I think this is one of those things where I've just got to give it a whirl and give it a try. So come along with me, let's see what happens. This could go one of three ways. It could work out and I could love it. It could work out and I could realise it's not for me, or it could just be a range of like non-success learning experience. But as I've started saying, this is an exploration, this is a creative experience. Whatever happens, I will learn something from it, even if it is put a bit more planning and a bit more research in the future. Let's see how we go. So I have since been wearing this around the house. White, a bit scary. I am regretting doing white on the I could have done yellow, lilac. Why did I do white? But here is the problem. When I fold this over, it does make it nice and secure, but then you get a horrible ridge. And at the back, I need it shorter than at the front, because obviously at the front, I need the extra circumference to get over my chest, and my back is flat. So I do feel, I did try and pull it down so this was at the top, and can you see how this is just a bit flippy? So I think what I need to do is, I do need it double thickness, but I need a secret bit of this type of elastic hidden inside here, just to firm up the top so there's no gaping. And so I either unpick this bit and bring it up, or I cut this, but I can't drill it, can I? Because that's sealed inside. Rats. Oh, hello sunshine. We have to cut it off here and bring it up and hide that in. But it's how do I keep it in there? Because obviously I can do a correct bit of elastic and push it in, but will it just fall? I don't think it would fall down from there, would it? Because it'd have to get all the way over there. You think you know the answer to what you want, and then I need someone else to help pin this, because when I unpick it and put it back, it needs to be high. What is that noise? I don't know. So I need someone to help me to get the back length right, because that's the bit I can't see, and what I've noticed is it's getting rumply at the back. But I feel we're close. So the question right now is, do I like it yet? We'll have to wait and see. And then I set about a month ago sharing some panels. The back I did every other one. She says, looking at it like she can't remember which is the front and the back. I do know. So I went middle of a stripe, jump a stripe, jump 2 stripes, so it was every 2. And then on the front, I did it every cream stripe. I have inserted a channel around the top of this one. I left enough fabric to fold over, make a channel, and there is elastic in there. I have put on the straps, and again, when you're on your own, despite my best effort, one of them doesn't quite cover one back piece of my bra at the back. Now, obviously, if I bought it from a shop, that's very unlikely because of my narrow shoulders, but the benefit of making your own is you can tailor it to that. So I've just got to decide to unpick that. I did the gathering, and it was really important, I realised. The first time I gathered it, I attached it below the shearing, but of course, then it was much longer, so I needed to attach it right up next to the last row of shearing to make sure that this fabric was more gathered to attach. So I've attached the skirt. I have got to hem it. Just checking if I've got the fabric the right way around. So in terms of, is it done? It is mostly done. Do I like it? It's a separate question. Gonna have to wait and see, aren't you? Tell me, what are you thinking at this point? Are you thinking there's things I should do? Are you shouting at the screen, telling me something? Type it in the comments, tell me. I'm still on the saw it, made it, but do I like it? And of course I need to style it up and wear it. Both of these main fabrics are cotton block prints that I bought direct from a fabric company in India called Sanskriti. Here is a video where I tell you all about them. I have bought quite a few orders from them now, so I can check that the quality is good. So they're lovely and cool to wear, and especially when you iron them, they're really soft. I always put vinegar in the first time I wash them, help with colour permanency. And this is really soft with the shearing. So it's close, and I am cutting it fine. It is on the cusp of not being summer anymore. Right, I have realised that the sun is out, it's a lovely day, I'm going to do some fabric dyeing because why not? I have a jogger set in the loft that I haven't been wearing because the white has gone quite faded. It's like white and blue tie-dye. So I'm going to dye it with green dye because that will go onto the blue, make the blue a bit more bluey green, and the white will then go green, and then I think I'll wear it. So right now it looks like this. Let's see what happens. It will need another wash, but let's have a look. Okay, it's definitely green. I would say it is a Hulk green. I'm feeling like sort of dinosaur, but it does mean I'll wear it because it is fresher. Interestingly though, the joggers are more the colour I thought they'd be. Actually, it's them that I'll wear more. They're sort of more pastel-y. So that's definitely worked out. So if you want to know what it is this fabric dye. It's a machine dye. And I went for apple green. Neither of them are apple green. They're both more, I don't know, tealy. I don't know. Tell me, what colour do you think they are? They're more this sort of colour, aren't they? Right, going to give them just a wash on their own now. And it also rinses the machine then. It's time to enjoy a bit of sewing again. I think I need to do the Scrap 25 skirt because it's burning a hole in my mind, and hopefully by the end of this video there'll be some outfits to show you with it because it's using scraps of other things I've made, so I should be able to pair those things with it. Yeah, let's crack on with that now. Pieces are cut out, so there are there are 5 lovely pumpkin spice double gauze ones like this. Something's not like that. And then there are 5 of the remnants of the 2 varieties of this kind. And all of the edges I've overlocked because it's a lot of overlocking otherwise if I don't do it till it's done. So I've just done 20 edges of overlocking. So now it's time, to sew them together. So I need to be mindful because there's this colourway and this colourway. So they are different. So I want to make sure that I alternate between them. So I'm going to lay the pieces together. I have spare of both, so I can decide what waistband I want at the end. I haven't decided yet, but I will decide at the end. So I'm just working it out because I do have less of this one, but that's okay because if that one goes there with this one on here, then we do, hang on, this one, have I done this right? Have I got too many or too few? That one, and then that one there. So then I'm going to set about stitching the panels together till I end up with one giant stitched together piece, and then I will decide on my waistband afterwards because I can't decide yet because the double gauze will be nice and soft, but it does have a tendency to shift, but I'll hold the fabric on to decide afterwards.